I ain't feeling it, man. Poor guy outdoor cooking. How are you today? Buffalo chicken thigh sandwich. That's what we're doing for lunch. For lunch, I've got some of these fancy brioche buns. They're ever so soft. I'm not toasting them. I don't have to. You can toast them if you want to. I don't want to. I've got 4 beautiful chicken thighs over here with salt and pepper on them. Okay, so here's the plan. This is my buffalo chicken sauce concoction. It's really very easy. Frank's Red Hot and butter. So here's the plan. I'm going to go ahead and set this over here on my little, well, let me show you in case you've never seen it. In case you're new here, we've got the little Char-griller Acorn Jr. It's a fancy little cooking machine. We enjoy it. I've got some, a variety of charcoal. I had some leftover B&B char logs and just some Kingsford. So we're going to take this, and this is just, like I said, Frank's and butter. We're going to take these chicken thighs, which we already seasoned. We're going to dunk them in there. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to take them and we're going to plop them on there. Yeah, it's been warming up for a little while. Pardon me. That Frank's, the steam from the Frank's, it just got me right in the throat. Yeah. Stand back, everybody. This isn't for children here. Oh yeah. As you can see, this little char-griller Acorn Jr., it gets hot. It gets real hot. Oh yeah. Now these are chicken thighs. The good thing about chicken thighs is, you know, if you go 175, 180, they're still good. You don't have to be too concerned about overcooking chicken thighs. And I just thought, man, this sounds good. Obviously, you could do buffalo wings. Well, it still got me in my throat. Honey, you can cough. Honey's recording me. See, it got her too. That steam from the Franks, once it hit that grill, was like right in your face. I'm okay. She's okay. Everybody's okay. So yeah, we're gonna cook these up right on, uh, and that won't take long at all. I did bring out my little thermal pop, which is no nonsense little meat thermometer. Uh, we're gonna pop them on some of these brioche buns. We've got some sliced Muenster cheese that we bought yesterday, and by golly, a Lipton hard tea. It's all right. It's a little change from beer. It is ever so tasty. And then my sandwich, I'm going to go ahead and put some Ken's Blunky Chew cheese on it. What did I say? Chunky blue cheese. That's what I meant to say. Blunky. And yeah, that's really what we're going to do. Let's take a look because, like I said, this little char griller, it heats up fast. So this is what I dunked in, so I don't want to use that one. Let's flip these over. Oh yeah, they're cooking good already. Now these I'm going to leave here on this side for a little while so we can get some nice char on it. Oh yeah, the smell. If you like buffalo wing sauce, Muenster cheese, this is for you. Right on. Let me get these cooking for a little while and we'll come on back and dress them up and give them a try. Simple, easy cook today. That's what we do. Poor guy outdoor cooking and stuff and everything. Peace. Okay, this is what we're looking at, everybody. There it is. There's our chicken. We're going to go ahead and dunk it again. Looking good. Smelling good. Feeling good. Yeah. I'm going to try it. Honey, be careful. Don't let that smoke get you.
Okay, thank you. It's mostly blowing to you.
Yeah, I stepped out of the way a little bit here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I'll tell you what. I love buffalo wings. And I was thinking, why not do this? This got to be good. Dunk that thing in there. Okay. Again, we're going to let those cook up until we get to the proper temperature. And then we're going to dress it up with some Muenster and some Ken's Chunky blue cheese on a brioche bun. Man, that's a good meal right there. That's a good lunch. It's a bird, a big bird flying overhead. Yeah, I like that little grill. It's pretty cool. You can smoke on that thing too. All right, like I said, we're gonna let this cook up, get it to 165-ish, and that's a hawk right there.
Where's Buddy?
Good question. He's gone. Anyway, just us living our lives here. Poor guy outdoor cooking. When you come back, we'll go ahead and dress. Well, I gotta put the cheese on it. I don't even know what I'm doing today. Peace. How do? We're back. There's our chicken. It's done. Like I said, we just ended up going and putting some sliced Muenster cheese on there. And I'm going to get these off the grill here as soon as they give this a try. There's our sandwich. I put a little bit of the Ken's chunky blue cheese on there on a brioche bun. Nothing else really for me. So let's, without further ado, let's give this a try. Man, it looks good. Cheers. Yep. Mm. Tastes like a chicken wing on a bone. On a bone? On a bun. Mm. That's good. Yeah, that's real good. We're going to enjoy this for lunch. If you're new here and you think I'm worthy, hit the subscribe button, please. Uh, for those of you that show up every week, thank you very much. We love you. Got something on my teeth. Poor guy out there cooking. It was kind of a blunder today, but we got through it. It's a tasty meal. As typical, we don't do anything too complicated. We're here just for the regular people, not so much foodies. But yeah, that's what we got. I got a chicken going on the Oklahoma Joe's, by the way. I still use that. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.